comply. To conform or submit is required. It's a loaded word. Some people read it and think, oh, thank goodness there are rules and regulations in place. I feel safe when there's rules. Others read it and think, oh no, all these rules and regulations are just going to slow me down. This is just a sampling. There's a whole host of individual responses to the notion of conforming or submitting as required. Human beings want what they want when they want it. For example, I just baked this beautiful cake. I've got guests arriving for a birthday party any minute, and I'm out of candles. I need to run to the store. But the quickest route to the store still involves a stop sign, a school crossing, and 2 traffic lights. To ignore these rules would be to put yourself and others at risk. But if you don't get the candles on that cake before the guests arrive, your party will be unsuccessful. You want to help this person succeed, right? You also need to make sure everyone stays safe, or there won't be a party. Welcome to the world of a corporate banking professional, a job not for the faint of heart. You have many employees across different departments with different rules, regulations, deadlines, and personalities. How do you achieve the greatest good for the greatest number? So, let's start the journey.